Here is another question. You can try it, and also I have provided my version of the solution. This says a university gives scholarships to students in the age group 18 to 24. So what we have to do is write a NS chart to accept the age. The job of the NS chart should be to get the age and say whether it is eligible or not eligible. That is basically if the age entered is within 18 to 24, including 18 and 24, 18 or 19 or 20 or 21 or 22 or 23 or 24, it should say eligible. If it is anything less than 18, 17 or 16 or 15 or anything lower, or anything more than 24, which is 25 or 26 or 27, any other outside values, it should say not eligible. That's very straightforward NS chart, okay? Take the age, check whether age is within this age group. If it is so, say eligible. If it is not in this age group, you have to say not eligible. Okay? So once again, we want you to take some time and try this on your own before you actually watch the rest of the video. Okay? Right. So let's go through our solution of this exercise. This is basically what we have done. Now, in this case, we have a condition which is with an AND, which means a logical operator. AND is a logical operator. Okay, so there is a condition here saying age greater or equal to 18 and age less or equal to 24. So if you have any issues understanding how this works and what happens, basically any condition, whether it is with AND or any condition that you write in a decision box, can finally evaluate to a true or a false, yes or a no. That's all. So if this whole thing evaluates to a yes, it will go through this side. If this whole thing evaluates to a no, it will go through this side. Okay, remember that. So if you are having doubts in how to evaluate this, then you can please watch our previous videos we have done on conditions and logical operators, and those are numbered from 0026A to 0028B. If you watch these videos, this set of videos on introduction to basic procedural programming, you should get an idea about how these things are evaluated. So if you have problems, don't go through the rest of the video. First watch these videos, get an understanding of how the conditions are evaluated to a true or a false, and then come and do it here and understand it. Okay, then it will become easier. But if you have some doubts or problem, please put them in the question area in your group. Okay, thank you very much. Let's go through this. So this is a multiple condition. You have a greater than 18, and also we have this. So like I said, you watch this if you are not sure how the logical operators and conditions work. Always remember, logical operators and conditions, final evaluation, it gets evaluated to a true or a false, or a yes or a no only. It can't get evaluated to anything else. So watch these videos and understand that if you're not sure about it. If you're okay with it, so let's go through the rest of the video. So here again, we have one variable and we have show statement. So we need the screen and we need the age variable. Okay, age is the only variable we have no other variable. So one variable and one screen. Again, screen is the only thing that user is going to see, the end user who is going to run this program, and these are inside the computer, and this for us to dry run only. Okay, so let's start. You start, it says show enter your age. So that message comes in, and these statements wait for the age to be entered. Now let's say user types a number below 18, a lower value. Let's say it puts 15. Then this will be accepted by the variable age. Okay, so age will become 15. So after this acceptance, we are going here. Now this condition will evaluate to a false because this is outside this. Like I said, if you're not sure how this gets evaluated to a false, please watch the videos I mentioned earlier, our previous videos on conditions and logical operators, and understand that. Always conditions will evaluate to a logical conditions with and or anything, either true or a false only. So this will evaluate to a true false. Okay, and age is greater than 18 and age is less than or equal to 25. That is false because we are saying age is greater than or equal to 18. It's not because this is 15. So as such, it will evaluate to a no or a false. Therefore, it will go to this side. And then the decision box separation is here. This is the yes side, this is the no side. So it has gone to the no side, so it will evaluate, it will execute this, which says show not eligible. So not eligible will appear and then it will end. So that's what's going to happen if you put 15. Now let's try 18 and also see another dry run. Okay, that's in the boundary, in this boundary. So let's again have the two screen and the age variable. Then we start. Enter your age, message comes in. Then you wait for the age. Now let's say we type in 80, some value here. Okay, it goes in here, and then you go to the condition check. Now this condition greater or equal to 18 and less or equal to 24 evaluates actually a true or a yes. This becomes yes, and therefore again, if you are not sure how this gets evaluated, watch our previous videos I have mentioned earlier. Now it goes to the yes side, and the yes side says show eligible. So it will say eligible and then enter. Now let's try with another number, some number in between 18 and 24. So let's again have the two variable screen and the variable. Start, enter your age, message comes, wait for a number, so you type some number, say 20. 20 is actually within 18 and 24 or so it should be eligible. So let's say this goes into age variable will become 20, then you go to the condition, age is greater or equal to 18, yes, 20 no, and age is less or equal to 24, 20, yes. So this actually evaluates to a true or a yes. So it goes here and says show eligible, comes up, and then you terminate, end. Okay, now let's try this end. We tried 18 and we tried some value in between. Now we are going to try say 24, right? So let's again start off, screen and the variable, go start, enter your age, message comes up, you wait for the age to be typed by the user types the age, which is 24, this end. This 24 will be taken by age variable, so age variable will become 24, then go to the condition. Now this says age is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less or equal to 25. This will evaluate to a true or a yes, and therefore it will go to this side. And then left side says show eligible, so it will display the message eligible and terminate the program. So once again, when you enter 24 also, it is going to say eligible, which is this end. Now let's try something outside in this side. So we have already tried something on this side, this value, something in between, this value, and now we're going to try something outside this. So and try run. Okay, so let's again see screen and the two variable. We start, enter your age, message comes onto the screen. Why are we putting this message? Because this is the only area the user is going to see. So when he sees this message only, he gets alerted that he has to enter a age. Okay, so after that, it goes to the next line to accept the age, because when the user gets alerted, he will type a value and press enter. So then that number has to be taken by a variable. So that is why we have this statement, right? Again, reminding you. So, and it has to get it into a variable, which is the age variable. So user types 30, which is some value outside this, and press enter. So age will become 30 from here. Now we go to the condition. This condition for 30 will evaluate to a no or a false. Okay, this will become false, and so it won't go to the yes side. Instead, it will come to the no side. So the no side says what? Show not eligible. So when it goes to the next line, it says show not eligible. So it says not eligible and terminate. So like this, you can try your own values into this NS chart and see how the outcomes appear. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this. If you have problems or questions, please put that in the group. Okay, thank you very much.